Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to do the air brake test. Right here we have a primary and secondary gauge. Always pay attention to the primary. This gauge reads by 25. So the first line is 25, 50, then 60, 65, 70, and right there that's 75, then 100, 125, and 150. So first, you'll introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Miguel. I'm here to get my Class A CDL. So first, I'm going to place my truck into neutral. Then I'm going to start my engine. Put the clutch in, turn the key to start up the engine. Now I'm going to build pressure to the maximum capacity by raising my RPMs no more than 1500. Alright, so my tanks are maximum capacity at 126 psi. I know that because my needle stopped moving to the right. Next is my 1 minute air leak test. To do so, I'm going to place my truck into low gear. Move the shifter all the way left down. Low gear. Shut the engine off. And release the brakes. These are your brakes. Yellow one's a tractor, red one's a trailer. Push them in. And wait till the air settles. Okay. So for this test, I cannot lose no more than 4 psi. 3 for the tractor, 1 for the trailer. Step on the service brake all the way to the floor. I have 80 psi. My minute starts now. Alright, my minute is up. I'm still at 80 psi. I did not lose any pressure. My system is working properly. I have no leaks. Release the brake. So my next test is the low warning device. For that, you're going to turn on the key. And I'm going to lower the pressure between 75 and 55 psi. I should see the low warning light and buzzer come on my dashboard. So my low warning light and buzzer will come on here. Right there. So my low warning light and buzzer came on at 59 psi. Telling me I have low air pressure. My system is working properly. Then you're going to turn off the key. My next test is an emergency pop-out test. I'm going to lower the pressure between 45 and 20 psi by stepping on my service brake until those valves pop out automatically. So my emergency valves popped out at 25 psi. My system's working properly. Next is the governor cutout. For that, I'm going to place my truck back into neutral, start my engine, and build pressure to the maximum capacity by raising my RPMs no more than 1500. My governor should cut out at no more than 140 psi. Okay, so my governor cut out at 126 psi. I know that because my needle stopped moving to the right. So my next test is the governor cut in. I'm going to step on the service brake to lower the pressure to no less than 100 psi. My governor should cut in at no less than 100 psi. So here what you're going to do, you're going to step on the service brake all the way to the floor. You're going to wait 10 seconds to see if the governor cuts in. Okay, there it is. So my governor cut in at 105 psi. I know that because my needle started moving to the right, my tanks are receiving air, and my system is working properly. Next, I'll be testing my 3 brakes. I'll be testing my trailer brake, I'll be testing my tractor brake, and I'm going to be testing my service brake. To do so, I'm going to place my truck into low gear. Remember, move the shifter all the way left down. Low gear. First, I'm going to test my trailer brake. I'm going to push in my tractor valve. And I'm going to release my clutch slowly. Once you feel the tug, put the clutch back in. Okay, so my trailer brake is working properly. Next is my tractor valve. Push out the tractor valve, push in the trailer. Now I'm testing the tractor. So I'm going to release the clutch slowly. Once you feel the tug, put the clutch back in. Okay, my tractor brake is working properly. Now I'm going to test my service brake. I'm going to push in my tractor valve. Now I'm going to release the clutch slowly. I'm going to let the truck roll forward a bit. Step on the service brake and the clutch in. So my service brake's working properly. You're going to put the truck back into neutral and set your brakes out. And that concludes air brake test.